Hey there, YouTube. Well, I'm just going to show this again because, well, I think it does a really great job, but these are some valve covers that I got off my latest junkyard treasure. And inside the, nice and crusty, pretty crusty, inside the tote here is some LA Awesome that I've already done a set of cylinder heads that came out almost brand new. Is that, I mean, they look similar to that when they went in. So I mean, I just hosed these off. I didn't take them apart. I didn't, do any of that shit. I just kind of chucked them in the old bath and let them sit there. I actually forgot about them. Those sat there for like almost a week. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave these set for a day, and we'll see what it looks like when they come out. A week. All right, so here we are. It's been a couple of days. These have been kind of just soaking in here. So here's the first one. It's pretty clean. The outside still looks pretty crusty. We're gonna hose that off. There's one. Let's see what else we got in here. Let's see what else we got. Alright. This one with the baffles a little fucking crusty still. I would love to let's go hose these off and see what's up. All right, and here we go. So I pulled these out and I gave them a quick hose off. And I mean, I know they're still a little crusty on the outside. Probably hit them with a wire brush or something to clean them up, or nylon bristle brush or something, but everything pretty much just as soon as I hit it with the water just kind of melted right off. I mean, the outside don't look as good as they could, but I don't know. I don't really give a shit too much because I'm gonna probably paint them or powder coat them or something. But again, LA Awesome for the win. If you guys aren't using this stuff to degrease stuff, yeah, it works. Get some. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And see you soon. Later.